and welcome back to Hillbilly-creations. Today we are back working on the 1967 Jacobsen Chief, and today we got my buddy Hard Knock Motos here again to help me.
And finally, this time I made sure we were going to do some welding, unlike last time, which not a single welder was brought out. I actually got my whole TIG, argon stick, and everything at the ready inside the shop, so we have to use it at least once.
Yes, there will be welding and fabricating today, and we will be replacing the back brake on the Jacobsen today too, and hopefully that fixes our clutch and shifting problem. So let's get right into the video.
Now on my side, you're going to be seeing me doing most of the welding, and on his side of the channel, you'll be seeing most of the brake work, and we're both going to work together on the third part of the video here, which is going to be the front bumper to best of our abilities.
Yes, so stay tuned, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and let's get right into it.
Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to bring some of my welding stuff over on this side here. Set myself up now, start recording my app. Can't believe I stole this one from work.
Oh, did you?
Cut that out, cut that out!
Okay, buddy Hard Knocks here is just going to cut up our new bracketry so we can get this brake pad done and get on to the other fabricating.
Oh, that's not what I need. Where the hell did it go? Straighten up. No. Okay. So. I can just use these. There we go. Let's find out. I'm gonna have to get your help for this one.
Okay.
I need you to hold this right like it is.
Let me grab my gloves.
Yeah.
Yep, come it.
There.
Just need to hold it right here.
Yeah, just hold it flat on the table there. Yeah, sure, good. Still got it. Up. Oh, that's hot. Let that go.
You got a hammer here too.
Oh, you don't want to hammer this at the moment.
Can you hold stuff?
Now that fuse is going to hold just fine for now.
Okay.
But you do want to grab me They're just smaller rods. They should be hanging against the wall, the door there. Should be big long tubes.
Smaller ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smell rust. Alright, that works. That works. Little love tap. Put my fuse on. Feel better. It's gonna be hot. I'd like to point out I am not at all a licensed welder, but how's that looking on camera?
Yeah.
But that's actually going to be a lot stronger. So all I have to do is hit it from the backside, and then I got to put on the secondary tab, which is going to connect to the brakes. So this is going to be the most important part of the weld right here. I think I know what my other issue is. I'm using the wrong side filler rod for the amps I'm using.
Oh shit.
Yeah. It'll do, like I said, as long as I can just fuse these two corners together, then I hit you with the MIG.
Yeah.
Straight across.
Good.
Fuse. Is it? Oh. Background. Is it?
Okay.
Alright, y'all, so I made a mistake on my first bracket. I cut it on the wrong side. I had to cut it on this whole area, so that way I can actually stretch this portion out to actually reach the brake pin. So I just quickly Zeus this side back together. So now I just gotta actually cut the right side, tack it on with the new spacer, and then we can get the camera over there as well.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can actually, we have it done right on the first bar. Now we're going to get a little more detail on this part. So we're just going to quickly zip this son of a bitch right off. and then we're going to relocate you so I get a good angle of the welding that we're going to have to do. All right, get back to you once I finish cutting this shit up. Because usually at this point in my video, I usually put in a time lapse and music over it.
Okay.
So that way the audience can still see sparks fly and everything like that. So. Up here.
Okay.
Okay, now we got everything all nice and lined up here, nice and straight this time. Just going to hit with just a few tacks, and I'm going to run the beads after that. Where did I put my sticker? Right here. I want to tackle this side first. Put my glove on fire. There we go. Wait for now. Right over like that. There. Oh, I might have welded to the table. No, I did not weld to the table.
How's that one looking?
Better? Oh yeah. You don't see a little bit of shine on those welds there. That's usually a good indicator of a good bead. So she's gonna hold. Clean up quickly. Shut off. Now we can weld in Jacob. Get the right side of the tab going. Yeah, that side. And like that. Right like that. I know, do-da, this shit ain't a whole $2. Is it? Good. Is it? There we go. What did I say, 8:45 an hour? Gotta relocate this other device now. So I can get a nicer angle. Right there. I'll move you guys just a little bit to the side. There we go. There's it. I'm just gonna sit down for this one. Sit it. 180. I think we got 3 wheels left and we'll be good on this son of a bitch. Okay, here we go. Just well right down right there as well. Is it? Is it? Oh, that's right.
Nice and hot.
Wiping on like a hot pocket. That's where I run a quick seam right down there. Here, lift it up just a little bit more. I turn it down to 70 because if you're just dealing with 1/8 inch. It's down here. Is it? Oh, ground and paint makes me the weather right. Just gotta touch up that little corner there.
Okay.
There. Pull that back in. Look at that. You would have thought second time around we could actually get the job done right. Yeah. For all those out there watching, never underestimate budget tools. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what tool you're using. Put a sword in a fool, he'll still going to get his ass kicked by the master with a stick. So we're going to let this whole unit right down here cool down, and we're going to relocate the tractor so we can show you how we put it all on. All right, see y'all in a second.
Okay, guys, this piece should be cooled off enough now where we can install it on the tractor and get these brakes installed. So I'm going to install this and then I'll show you guys what we've done. So,
Oh, I think we got this on the first tiniest tape.
yeah.
Love tap, love tap.
Howdy everyone, welcome back to Hillbilly-creations. Today we are going to be doing a wheelie with the 1967 Jacobsen. Let's see who can do the best wheelie, either me, Hillbilly, or Hard Knock Motos.
Vote in the description down below.
So yes, make sure you comment and tell us who you think is the better wheelier. So let's get right into it.
There we go. Oh yeah! Take it around. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Good.
Welcome back, and now it's my turn. Hard Knock Moto, ready to do my wheelie competition. What are you getting me into? Oh, yes.
We call that a fail. you guys enjoyed the video. That's all we're going to get into today. We did the brakes, and we did a little bit of cleanup on the gas pedal there, and I really appreciate Hard Knock Motos coming over today and help me. I really appreciate that.
No problem, mate. And so, yeah, luckily the initial welding today wasn't too bad. Like, I got a little bit of the TIG in, and most of the tuning in that big machine, because when you're initially using it in your previous videos, you only had it on the low setting. That's why it wasn't getting that nice clean weld.
No, and
we got that nice and tuned in, and you can see right here, we got started. And if you stay tuned and hit that notification bell, you'll see us actually get started on the bumper in the next part of the video. Might be Tuesday or something like that.
yeah, we'll finish part 2 of the bumper. We already started the video, but we're not going to finish the video until we finish the bumper.
Exactly. So once we get that all set up for next time I'm down, we'll have a bumper ready and made, and maybe a little bit more detail work done onto it. Other than that, it was actually a really fun day. Unfortunately, I really did fail at making those wheelies today.
I know you did.
It kept on slipping out of gear every time. Like, I get off those brakes, toss out of gear.
I know my wheelie was pretty good. So
Yeah, we had a good video of that angle.
that counts.
Yeah, the fact that this thing can wheelie that good, man. Like, we were on pavement, so it caught like duct tape on rice, man. It just launches you right up. But the biggest issue we're facing now is that belt. We're basically trying to tune in that belt at this moment. The throttle feels good. The brakes work now.
Yep.
It locks up right good. We still got to figure out what's going on with the differential, because it's grinding like crazy, and how to stop that belt from popping off every time we try shifting a gear.
Yep. And I know we got to get ourselves a new belt, so hopefully in the next video we'll have ourselves a new belt, so then we can see if that's the problem. If the belt is just too wore out, too stretched, or whatever it is doing, we can at least figure it out and see where we're sitting at.
Yeah. And also try breaking into that differential.
Yeah.
See if what kind of clutch is in there.
Yeah, that's the thing I want to find out too, is what kind of clutch is in there. And if, let's change the differential fluid, put new fluid in there. And hopefully, if we get new fluids in there, see what's going on. Yeah, something with a little bit more lubricant in it, because this tractor sat under a big old maple tree for how long? You should have seen it when me and Hard Knock Motos picked it up. And he's the buddy there that helped me pick it up there. And this thing was full of water. So you guys seen it run this good, be sitting under a tree for that long with that much water
I would
in
say
there?
at least 3 to 4 years almost.
At least.
It wasn't rusted or seized, but water did accumulate really fast.
It did. And yeah, because we would pull these little bungs off. There's one on each side. We pull them off, and like water would just like pour out like you're sitting under a waterfall.
But yeah, we'll see you I'll see you in the next episode. And you guys, again, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see different kinds of fabrications, I'm doing a twin cam chopper build on my side. So if you want to check out motorcycles, come see me. If you want to keep on checking out more awesome redneck shenaniganery or tractor or just miscellaneous builds, head over to Hillbilly-creations here, all right?
And because I'm always getting up to different things all the time, either helping out buddies work on vehicles, and I'll be updating videos on that too, and building my builds and doing adventures and off-roading.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to that.
Oh yes, and you're going to be coming along with me for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and always make sure you go to my buddy Hard Knock Motos channel. I'll always put his channel in the description, so make sure you click on his channel, go to it, watch his videos, like, subscribe to his channel, hit the notification button. You guys will get all his updates on his chopper builds and his motorcycle builds. And, you know, I'm always there helping him when he needs my help, and he comes over here and helps me when I need my help. So make sure you go to his channel, give him the love, give him the support that he needs, and it always helps out his videos as long as it helps out mine too. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a little bit longer. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And until the next time, you guys take care, and we'll see you on the next video.
Cheers.